Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have admin credentials, the firewall management IP, and local network access. Open a modern browser and navigate to the firewall IP using HTTPS and the management port. For Sophos XG use, 4444 or 443 depending on your setup. Once done, accept the certificate warning if it's self-signed, then proceed to the login screen. Make sure your workstation's IP is not blocked by an access rule. If necessary, connect directly to the management VLAN to eliminate network blocks. Log in with your admin account and complete multi-factor authentication if enabled. This protects configuration changes. Once authenticated, orient yourself. Open System or Device Management to review status, interface assignments, and routing. Make configuration changes in maintenance windows. First, review active sessions and the current firmware to avoid mid-update disruptions. When you plan firewall rule edits, preview impacted networks. Use the built-in diagnostics, ping and trace, from the web console to confirm connectivity before committing changes, which prevents accidental lockouts. After making changes, save and apply configuration, then watch real-time logs for errors or dropped packets to confirm expected behavior. If you lose management access, use rollback or safe mode to revert the last commit. Sophos keeps configuration snapshots for recovery. If safe mode isn't available, access the firewall console via serial cable, SSH to the console user, or use rescue mode to restore backup. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep an out-of-band path to the device so you can recover connectivity without relying on the broken configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.